Hello everybody. In this video, let us discuss about bin command in Splunk. A bin command in Splunk groups values into different bins or into different sets. That is what the bin command will be doing. So what do you mean by this, Kiran? So what do you mean by grouping different values into different sets? Different values into different sets or bins. So for example, if I use a bin command, bin underscore time. Okay, if I say like this, so whatever the timestamp values are there, right, it will be grouping. Okay, so for example, the same thing, if I say bin span equals to 1 hour, okay, underscore time, if I give like this, so what this will be doing, it will be grouping the timestamp values. Okay, for example, so for 24 hours, if I search, okay, if I make a search, let us see practically this one, but before that let me explain this. So if I search for 24 hours, okay, so it will be grouping. So today is 29th, so right, so from 28th August 24, some uh, yeah, 6:30 p.m. Okay, 6:30 p.m. to 7:29 p.m. Okay, it will be grouping. And again 28 August 24, from 7:30 p.m. to 8:29 p.m. it will be grouping. And again the same 28 August, from 8:30 p.m. to 9:29 p.m. it will be grouping. So because I have given span equals to 1 hour, it will be grouping these particular timestamp values. Okay, that is what the bin command will be doing. It will be grouping as different sets or bins, just like how I have specified right now. So now let us see this particular command by going into our Splunk interface. Okay, so in order to do this one, yeah, so already I have opened the particular Splunk interface. So now let me take my internal index. Sorry. Okay, so now if I search this one for the last 24 hours, okay, so I'll be having these many events. Okay, these are all the particular events and fields that I do have. So now what I'll be doing, I will be writing a bin command. I'll be using a bin command. Okay, so bin, as I was specified, I'll be taking underscore time. Okay, so and again what I'll be doing, I can always use the property span, where span I can always use whatever the value I want. Okay, so if I want to segregate the particular timestamp values for 1 hour, what I can do, I can always give span equals to 1 hour 1h. If I want to segregate for 15 minutes, I can always give as 15m. Okay, if I want to segregate it as seconds also, okay, so from for some 30 seconds, I can always give 30s. Okay, so like this I can always specify. So let me give 1 hour only, 1h. Okay, so that it is easy for us. So now this is the particular thing. So right now if you observe over here, see the events over here that are formed. So it is the actual timestamp that is being formed over here. So this is the particular timestamp, 29th August 2024, 18 hours 33 minutes 15 seconds and 735 milliseconds. So like this, actual the event formation timestamp is there, right? Exact formation of the timestamp it is showcasing like this. But whenever if I search with this bin command, and if I search with this one, okay, so with 24 hours, for last 24 hours, see, you will be finding 1830. Okay, so it is showing the reverse order, the latest one. So in the example I have specified from the previous date. Okay, so it will be getting 24 hours only, but it is showing the latest one in the first place. Okay, so 29 August 2024, 1830. So whatever the events that are available at 1830, it will be showcasing till when 1729. Again, the next set of events 1730, it will be showcasing like this. Okay, that is the thing that is going to happen if you search the other things over here. Okay, I have to scroll a lot. Okay, so yeah, that is the particular thing. Hope you have understood. So because so many pages I have to scroll. Okay, still it is showing as 1830 because so many events are there. Almost all 2 lakh events are there. Okay, so that is the reason I cannot scroll all the pages. Okay, so that is the thing. So like that only it will be showcasing, right? That is the thing that will be happening. So now see, in order to show you, okay, instead of showing like that manually, okay, so if I now use a stats command over here, okay, if I now use a stats command, stats count by time, stats count by underscore time, if I say, okay, see, it will be showcasing the particular thing. Okay, whatever the particular timestamp value, say 1830. Okay, so 28, see, this is now we have got yesterday's date, right? At 18:30 p.m. Okay, these many counts are there, these many events are there at 18:30. Similarly at 19:30, 1 hour, 1 hour we have given, right? 1 hour span equals to 1 hour we have given. That's why with 1 hour difference in the timestamp values, we'll be getting the events over here like this. Okay, this is the particular thing that you have to understand. Whenever we use a bin command, we can always, it will be grouping the particular values into different sets. Okay, that is the thing that you have to understand. And now again, if I remove this one, the stats command, and if I search this particular query, and if you see the fields over here, we do have various fields just like component. Okay, so or we do have fields just like thread. Okay, so log level. So if you use any of this particular thing, if I use log level as a particular field, see now, stats count by log underscore level. So log underscore level is a field where whether it is a what type of event it is, it will be specifying. Okay, so it is a critical event or it is a just a info, warning, fatal, error, critical. Okay, so like that it will be specifying the particular what is the status of the particular log field. Okay, so this is what it will be specifying. So now if I use this one, log underscore level, sorry, log underscore level, and before this one if I use underscore time as well. Okay, so now if I search with this one, okay, see, so now along with the time values, whatever the log level fields are there. Okay, so at this particular time, okay, 28 August at 1830. Okay, so these are the three things, fatal, info, warning are the three things. Okay, that these three types of log level events it does have. That's why it is showcasing these three events. Okay, these three things. Okay, so 57 fatal log level events are there, and 17,258 info log level events are there, and 396 warning events are there. So like this it is showcasing, and it is aggregating for each 1 hour. Okay, for each 1 hour it is aggregating like this. So this is what we can always have whenever we use the bin command. Why we are getting like this? Because we have used bin command and we are using the span equals to 1h. Similarly, if I put component, so again it will be showcasing the particular component as well along with the log level. Okay, it will be grouping the components as well. So based on that, whatever the events are there, that event count will be having over here. Okay, so that is the particular thing we'll be seeing. So again at 1830, so these are all the things that are happening, right? This particular log level, fatal, and the component loader. Okay, so for all the components and for all the particular things, so we'll be having the events counts and all. Okay, so the events have been increased over here as well. See, total number of events are 2 lakh 1,647, and the statistics also 388 now we have got, because we have added component field as well. Otherwise, if I remove this one, we would have got less only. Okay, because this component also we have added over here. Okay, now it is showing more. Okay, that is the thing. See, now it is only 79. Okay, that is the thing that you have to understand. So now, so again, if I put component, you will be finding the particular thing. Okay, so again you will be having the particular thing over here. Okay, along with the component values also. So now you should be having a doubt over here. So if bin command does this thing, particular thing, okay, as a grouping of the values into different sets. So time chart, okay, is also a command where it also does the same thing, right? So for example, say if I use time chart, it also, we know very well time chart command, where it will be, if I remove all these particular things and if I put time chart over here, okay, and if I say count by log level, log underscore level, whatever we have given earlier, the same thing if I give, okay, so see, I'll be having the, by default we are getting as half an hour. Here also you can always use the span as the property or the parameter, span equals to 1h. Here also you can always use. And if I now search this one, okay, see, now we will also getting in 1 hour, okay, with 1 hour difference timestamps we'll be having, okay. But what is the difference between the particular time chart and the bin command? So in time chart command you will be having the counts of the events, but how each and every value of the field whatever you are using in the time chart. And of course you know very well that we can always use only one field in the time chart command. The other field will be the underscore time only. In time chart command you need not specify underscore time, because by default it will be taken, okay, by default it will be taken, and you can always use only one field over here. If I try to put another field, it throws an error, okay, it will be throwing an error because you can always see a argument component is invalid is saying, because why, this particular field is available but still it is saying is invalid, because we can always use only one particular field in a time chart command. So if I use like this and if I search with this one, so whatever the values I am getting over here, the counts of the particular events, so each and every log level field value, log level is a field and its values are error, fatal, info, warn, like that, right? So these values have become fields over here. It has transposed the particular things and then it is showcasing the particular counts over here, but it is not grouping by with the different component values. Okay, that is the main difference between the time chart and the bin. Whereas bin command, if I duplicate this one so that you can better understand, sorry, and if I remove this and if I use bin span equals to 1 hour underscore time, and if I say stats count by uh, underscore time comma log underscore level, okay, and now if I search with this one, okay, see, so this is the particular difference. So here also, here it is aggregating, okay, here it is aggregating with the log level values directly, okay. So fatal, these many we are having, okay, but here if you see over here, so here also it is aggregating with the particular things, but each value is becoming a field over here. So this is another, wherever this kind of requirement is there for you, you can always use the particular time chart command. But whenever you do require, okay, so only is aggregating the particular values like this in a vertical fashion, okay, you can always use this particular bin command, okay. That is the thing you have to understand. And only you can only have the particular values for only for one field, whereas in the bin command, see, if I use component again, component, okay, I can always have, or else if I use any other value as well, thread is also a field, right? So okay, see, like this, whatever the field I specify, based on those things it will be aggregating the particular things and it will be showcasing the things over here, Okay, so for each at this in a 1 hour span, it will be specifying. So what is the meaning of this one? See, at 1830, for this log level, for this component, for this thread, this is the particular count. Okay, so like this, for this log level info, for this component matrix, archive reader is the particular thread, and it is having 111 as the particular count. Like this, we will be having the values specified, whatever the values is specified over here. Okay, that is the particular thing. Like that, we can always have the values, whereas in a time chart command, we will be having only for one field only. Okay, we will be having only for one field. See, log level, and that too, each value of the log level field, okay, will be forming as a particular column. In a column wise fashion, it will be showcasing in a transposed manner. Okay, so this is time chart command, is also an important command. So most frequently we'll be using time chart command, but most of the people, they won't use bin command. So it is also a good thing where you can always utilize this bin command as well. And you should also remember that time chart command automatically calls bin command. Please do remember this. Time chart command internally calls bin command. That's why it will be aggregating with the particular specified span values, whatever we specify over here, for 1 hour, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, like that. Okay, whatever the span we specify, based on that one, it will be aggregating the particular thing. Okay, this is what you have to remember, and this is the difference between the two things, between bin and time chart. So hope this is clear for everybody. Okay, so this is all in this video, and we'll be meeting in another video. Until then, have a great time. Bye bye.